Hi, so we're back at it. Now we're doing the questions. Let's see, it says determine the 10th. We start with the simple ones, which we can do in your sleep, because we just want you to master the basics. And the basics says when I'm solving a geometric progression, I need to know my A and my R. So anyway, we can look at this. What is our A? A is going to be 3, and then R is going to be, you can try. Remember that you're going to test. They just told you that this is a series. You don't know if it's GP or AP. You test. That's the reality of it. You have to test. So you say 6 minus 3, you get 3. 12 minus 6, you get 6. It can be an AP. 6 divided by 3, 2. 12 divided by 6, 2. 24 divided by 12, 2. So this is going to be a geometric progression. So you say R is 6 over 3, which is going to be equal to 2. So now I have my A and I have my R. Okay, you can put the R here instead. Let me do that. Say cut, and I'll put it here. Okay. R is equal to this, which is equal to 2. Now I can continue. And I'm going to say for geometric progression, I'm going to say that Tn is going to be AR to the power of n minus 1. And they want the 10th. So I can say T number 10 is equal to AR to the power of 9, which is going to be equal to, what is my A? 3. What is my R? 2 to the power of 9. So it's going to be like this. And you always start with the power. So you say 2 to the power of 9 is equal to, you say, times 3. And you get 1536. So our final solution is 1536. And we are done. We have determined the 10th term of this progression or sequence. You're done. Let's go to the next one. Goodbye for now.